Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Today we are back with a tasty recipe for blueberry cheesecake. So, blueberry is just a flavor. So here we can use any fresh fruit. कोई भी आप fresh fruit use कर सकते हैं. Mango, strawberry, raspberry, anything. So let's quickly get started with the recipe here. जो हमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स इसके लिए लगने वाले हैं वो है whipping cream, cream cheese, melted salted butter and blueberry compote, any biscuit of choice and powdered sugar. We will take our biscuits, crush them using a rolling pin or in a mixie jar, add the salted melted butter to it, mix it thoroughly and set it at the bottom of your pan. Take an empty bowl, add heavy whipping cream to it, and add the powdered sugar to it. You can whisk it using an electric hand blender or using a whisk like I have done here. Mix it thoroughly until it forms soft peaks. Now we will take our cream cheese, mix it nicely so that it is a soft consistency. Add the cream cheese mixture to our whipping cream. Mix it thoroughly until and unless it is homogeneous. Now we will take our cake pan and add the cream cheese and whipping cream mixture to it. Spread it evenly in the corners. Now we will take our blueberry compote and add 2 to 4 spoons of it in the middle of a cake. Take a back of a spoon or a chopstick, I have used chopstick here, and swirl it around. Refrigerate it 4 to 5 hours. Now we have taken it out from the refrigerator. We'll take our rest of the blueberry compote and spread it on the surface evenly. Now we will refrigerate it again for 30 minutes. Now, cut and serve. Here we are ready with our blueberry cheesecake. I hope you guys like it. Please try for yourself and do tell me how was it in the comments down below. The ingredient list is in the description as well. Please have a look and enjoy.